Hi everyone. So hope everything is okay for you. And now we are going to move on to talk about quadratic functions instead of quadratic equations. So we have done quadratic equations in the previous chapter, which is something like ax² plus bx plus c is equals to 0. But now we are just going to talk about the function itself without equals to 0, because that's quadratic equation. Okay, so let's move on. Alright, for this chapter, so normally the questions will be like three questions in paper 1 and no question in paper 2, and it's about 8 to 10 marks. And take note that if you do not know anything about chapter 2, there is no way that you can do this chapter. Okay, so because that's like a prerequisite for this chapter as well. Okay, so you need to know chapter 2 before coming to this section, this chapter. Okay, so it's kind of easy. So I think you have to grab the marks also.